Good morning, Wilson.
Wanted to have you on because of Wingspan Performance. I am a fan. Make sure you check them out online. I am hearing from all kinds of parents and teachers out there that are kind of sharing concerns as we're going into this next phase of the corona, the pandemic, everything we've been going through. And I'm seeing some things that maybe you can provide, maybe some ideas and some thoughts here as to kind of how to move into that next phase and feel good about it.
Yeah, I'm hearing similar concerns. So, coming into this next phase, for some people, it's less stress. They're getting fully vaccinated. They're ready to go out and have dinner with friends. For others, though, it actually introduces more challenges. So, for example, people are worried about other people aren't taking the same safety precautions they are. And what do I do about that? So the first thing that we tell them to do is stop focusing on what you can't control, which is other people's behavior and feelings, and start focusing on what you can control, which is our own choices, our own actions, our communication, and where we're putting our attention.
And I know that one of the things as well that I've kind of seen online and some of this is kind of, we've all kind of developed over this last year or so our own kind of personal process with how we're kind of dealing with things.
Yes, that exactly. So we're all depending on we might have a family member who's at high risk, and so we might have more strict personal processes than others are. And so that's something to keep in mind that no matter what other people are doing or not doing, for us to continue to confidently carry out our personal processes and to feel really good about that and not feel like we've got to explain it.
Well, and that's a big thing I want to get into a little bit later on the hour because, kind of feeling good about it, feeling good about, being safe and your process and what is working for you and your family, whatever challenges you may be facing, and kind of juxtaposed with being the safety police and that kind of thing. So, which can get different with in the neighborhood, at work, all kinds of different applications. And we're going to talk about that a little bit later on the hour. Someone wants to find out more about Wingspan Performance. I got to tell you, Kathy works with all kinds of people that she made me promise not to say on TV because they're that big. But you're working with all kinds of businesses and people and situations here. Where can people find out more?
They can go up to our website at wingspanperformance.com.
There you go. Google it. Just saying, do it. It's good stuff. We're going to tell you more about this, and as we're moving into the next phase, excited to share some of this information here. Hey, it's Wilson's World, WCCB Charlotte. We'll be back. Wanted to have you on. We were talking earlier in the hour as we're moving into this next phase of the pandemic. I'm hearing from all kinds of teachers and parents that have concerns. One of the things I'm hearing is over and over, I don't want to be the safety police. You don't want to kind of be the Debbie Downer, but we were talking earlier about how you have your personal process.
Yeah, so many in this next phase, so many people are returning to work. They're going to be in situations and they see that other people are not taking the same safety protocols that they are. What do I do about that? And so one of the other things that we encourage them to do is don't apologize for your personal processes. We all have really good reasons, no matter how strict we are being and keeping ourselves safe, whether we are continuing to wear masks, wear gloves. Maybe we're not meeting in person yet. I know I'm not meeting with my friends yet for dinner. I'm not meeting with clients in person, and I'm also not apologizing for that.
That's a big thing because for a lot of people, it's, you're talking about your family, the people that are in your bubble. You've been doing your personal process. I know I have. And yeah, don't apologize for your process and your concern and keeping your family safe. That's kind of the thing right here. But I am hearing that a lot because it's kind of a natural thing to be like, okay, I'm sorry, but I just got to ask you to wear the mask. Don't do that.
Yeah, don't apologize. Rather, you can just say that you feel good about continuing to do this right now and that you're excited for when you are having dinner together, or you're excited for when you finally do meet in person.
And I noticed too some of the words that you're using. Well, we're moving into a next phase, like we're telling you here on the show, it's still going on. We've still got some of these challenges we're going. We're in a new phase of this thing, and excited about that. But we still got to be safe and don't apologize for any of that stuff.
Yes.
Good stuff. You work with all kinds of different people, Wingspan Performance, businesses, everybody, kind of with things we're talking about now, but even kind of larger issues, right?
Yeah, since 2003, we've worked with leaders and teams around the world develop healthy high performance. And it's so exciting to see them create stronger results and relationships. And then they're just so much happier and more confident.
I know some people that have worked with you in the past, and I know you feel really good kind of when you can help someone, whether in their life or with, professionally with their business, when you kind of take a situation, kind of turn it around a little bit and really turn it into something great. That's kind of what it's all about.
It is. It is. It's so awesome.
I love it. You're awesome. Again, what's that website? People can get more details?
Wingspanperformance.com.
All right. They're on the LinkedIn too. I'm
Yeah.
new to the LinkedIn. This is going to be some good stuff. Kathy, thank you for sharing that. And big thanks for just the concerns of the parents and teachers out there. You kind of helped us get some information out there. So thank you for that. We will talk again soon, my friend.
Sounds good. Thanks for having me, Wilson.
There you go. Wingspan Performance. I love it. Hey, it's Wilson's World, WCCB Charlotte. We'll be back.